Hello people and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam, a channel that has some of the latest and most exciting car content out there. All the clips used in this episode are for educational purposes and hopefully you'll learn something. In today's episode, you'll watch all sorts of crazy road encounters and you'll surely enjoy in it. Without any further delay, let's dive right into this episode. Grab your snacks and enjoy. In this video, the camera put together a collection of clips in which bad drivers do bad things. Running red lights, cutting others off, speeding, last second exits, not stopping at stop signs and not using their turn signals are just some of the things caught on his dashcam. I hope that we can all learn from videos like this one and try to do better in traffic. Watch and learn, guys.
Herp derp. Hello, masshole. Tough guy.
The sign clearly states not turn on red. Guess what's about to happen now?
Don't turn on red. Whatever you do, don't turn on red. It's a no turn on red. Yeah, she'll listen to me, huh? No, you didn't. I don't think you stopped, and you did not stop at all. You gotta back up, okay. Exit dive. And cut off. Exit dive. Close enough, Grandma. Thank you. Don't turn on red. Don't turn on red. That's not turn on red. Don't do it. I did it. And didn't stop. And really didn't stop. And did not stop. And I'm gonna stop because I don't want to get hit. So I'm gonna look. And there we go. And here we go. You're running the red, ain't ya? You is. That's a stop sign.
In this situation, I want you to pay close attention at the guy pulling a trailer who was on the hammer's left side. He showed us illegal use of turn signals here because he indicated left and instead of taking a turn to the left, he moved in completely opposite direction. Never allow yourself to be one of those drivers. Camera caught two pickup truck drivers causing troubles on the road. They were speeding and cutting other drivers off for no reason other than to have some fun. Drivers like these definitely deserve a karma cop and it's unfortunate that we don't have one now. Crazy biker got nearly hit as the camera was about to overtake a parked van, but that's not all. Check out what this crazy biker did next. If you think you've seen it all, wait until you see this crazy driver and his reversing skills. Drivers that was next to the camera just added another reason to the list of why you should always keep your eyes open at all times. He moved over into the hammers lane without looking at all. I don't know how drivers like this are even allowed on the road. With this clip we conclude yet another episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope that you guys enjoyed this one and learned something from all the bad traffic behavior you saw in today's episode. If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like because it really helps us grow. Make sure to click that bell button as well to stay up to date with the latest content. Thank you for all your support, and until the next episode, drive safe and keep your eyes wide open.